Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make many folders in Excel in one click. So let's start the video. So here I will make 50 folders with the name of the person. So first of all we have to go to the other column. Now from here you have to type MD space double comma. Now type the name of the person. So I will name it. After that you have to give a double comma again. Now press enter. Now press Ctrl E. So after that you will see all the name has typed. Now I have to select this. I have to copy it. Now from here I have to minimize it. Now I have to open a text document here. I have to open it. Now I have to paste all the names here. Now I have to click on file. Now select on save as. Now from here I will save it as name and I will save it as a bat file. So I'll give .bat. Now I will create a folder here. Now I'll open it and I will save it here. Now I'll cross it. I have to open the bat file. So I'll open the folder. Now I have to double click on the bat file. So after double clicking it, you will see the magic. Here you can see all the folder has created in a click. So this is how you can make many folders in one click. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.